as items stored in these may have moved during the flight. Smoking is not permitted while disembarking or throughout the terminal. If your final destination today is Sydney, your checked luggage will be available in the South Claim area located on the ground floor. Qantas operates from 3 terminals at Sydney Airport and will be arriving at Terminal 1. International flights arrive and depart from this terminal. If you're continuing on another international flight, including Jetstar International, and have a boarding pass, check the screens throughout the terminal for details of your next flight departure. And if you don't have a boarding pass, make your way to the transfer area. If you're continuing on a domestic flight numbered QF400 and above, please clear customs and immigration, collect your bags and make your way to the Qantas domestic transfer facility. Simply follow the signs outside the terminal. Entry is external with a short walk via a covered walkway. For Jetstar domestic flights, please make your way to Terminal 2, and as always the Qantas ground team are happy to help. Finally, on behalf of our Captain Paul Steer and the entire team, I would like to thank everyone, including our Qantas and One World frequent flyers, for flying with us today. It's certainly been our pleasure to bring you across to Sydney, and we do look forward to seeing you again in the not too distant future. Thank you everyone, and have a very good morning.
Cabin crew, disarm doors.